Hello everyone, I am Mahmudur Rahman. My GitHub username is mahmudurrahman-beep and my edX username mahmudur_rahman_tushar. I am from Dhaka, Bangladesh, and this is my final project for the CS50 is Introduction to Programming with Python, a snake game built using Python and the library Pygame. Let's jump straight into our code and see how the game works. At first, we can go to the project directory through this command cd project. In there, through this command ls, we can see the total files. We have 5 files in there. In another terminal, we run one-liner command to start no VNC server on the port 6080, allowing us to view the live virtual screen directly in the browser. For the first time, we run the extended command so that the game window appears on the virtual display. Later on, we can use more simplified commands such as Python or Python3 project.py. Now our game is running in the terminal, but we will be able to play the game only in no VNC virtual display from the port 6080. And that's our game. The snake has green head and light sea green color body. The food is polygon in shape. We can use arrows to move the snake in the screen. This is our project.py file. The code has some 172 lines of codes. As you can see, I have defined several functions within the code. We have spawn food function and draw snake function. In the draw snake function, I have set the head color as green, and if the length increases, the body gets this dark sea green color. We can change the color if we want later on. Down below we have other functions as well. And this is the most complicated part of the game loop function. Here you can see the event handling section. The program listens for keyboard input, and when a key is pressed, key down triggers immediately. Then it checks which arrow key was pressed so it can smoothly update the snake's direction. The snake moves by adding the velocity vectors dx and dy to its x and y position, shifting the snake each frame in its current direction. Here the snake's head is updated with the new x and y. That head gets added to the snake list, and if the list becomes longer than the snake's length, the oldest segment is deleted, effectively removing the tail and creating the forward shifting motion. Here the game checks self-collision by looking for the head inside snake list :-1, which holds all body segments except the head, and if found, it triggers game over, shows the message and score, and updates the display. Alternatively, we can change some complex coding and change this with one-liner code with simple arguments. This will change the shape of our food. Here we go. Now let's run our game. As you can see, the shape of the food has been changed. It is in a square in shape. This had been my project so far. I have added other necessary files along with it, readme.md. All informations we can see in here, readme.txt additionally, and another file, requirements, pygame pytest. Both we can install through pip install command in the terminal. Now lastly we have pytest, and let's see and let's verify everything works correctly. Here we go, all tests passed successfully. Thank you. Before I end, here are future fixes and bug patches I plan to add. First, a small update to the spawn food function, adding a default snake list and checking that the food never appears on the snake's body. Along with that, updating the food spawn call to pass the snake list will keep everything consistent and prevent rare placement issues. These are minor modifications, but they can make the game more robust and predictable. More improvements can be added later. Thank you for watching. This was my CS50 Python final project, and thank you to David J. Malone and the CS50 team. Thank you again.